There's a Mandalorian movie coming out. I feel nothing. And I'm sad. I want to be excited. Something altered in my brain after I watched Andor, and I can't go back. I'm sorry. I'm not saying everything needs to be heavy. I'm not asking Disney to fully go in the mature route of Star Wars, but you can see a clear difference in the depth of storytelling in these two shows. Disney pulled in a lot of new people. People returned back to Star Wars because of Andor that they're going to lose again.
And the thing is, what made Andor so great wasn't really like its darkness. What made it so great was how well it was tapped into the politics of the Star Wars universe. I feel like maybe Dave Filoni loves Star Wars too much to do it.
He did a good job in the animated series to balance both. I have not felt that emotional pull in his live action work. I felt like the live action, I'm sorry, it felt like fan fiction.
Mm-hmm.